I unlocked the steering wheel lock for this 2007 Toyota Camry with no keys. I removed this Phillips screw here. I could not take the other Phillips screw out because the steering wheel was locked. I will show you how I took out the other Phillips screw. I removed the plastic trim panels that go here and here. I used a 10mm socket to remove this bolt here. This will allow me to remove this plastic panel here. I used a Phillips screwdriver to remove this screw here. This allows me to partially remove the steering column shroud cover bezel trim. I opened up the steering column cover trim as much as possible, and it made enough space to take off this screw on the other side. This is how I took off the bolts holding the steering wheel locked. I hammered the center of the bolt inward to get it loose a little bit. Then I hammered the side of the bolt counterclockwise. I used a flathead screwdriver and hammer to remove these bolts. Have patience, you too can do it. You have to hit it just about right, like Rose did to Jack in the Titanic in order to save him. Once you get this bolt loose, do not remove it. Get the other bolt loose as well. If you remove this bolt completely off, the other one will be a bit hard to remove, because the whole ignition switch will be moving while hitting the other bolt. If it is hard for you to take off one bolt, you can bend this part like this and take off the ignition switch. I was able to take out both bolts. This is how it looked after removing the ignition switch. The steering wheel lock is unlocked now. Do not forget to give this video a like, and thanks for watching.